This could be one of Apple's most interesting product decisions in years. New reports and patents suggest Apple has been exploring something completely different from the Apple Watch, a device with no big screen, no traditional apps, no distractions, just a tiny piece of premium technology on your finger, the rumored Apple Ring. But the biggest question is not whether Apple can build a smart ring. The real question is, would an Apple Ring actually be worth buying, or would it create a major problem for the Apple Watch? Because this small device could completely change how millions of people track health, control technology, and stay connected. But there is also a reason Apple has not released it yet, and that reason may surprise many buyers. Smart rings are becoming one of the fastest growing areas in premium tech. Products like the Oura Ring and Samsung Galaxy Ring have already shown something important. Not everyone wants another screen. Many users want health tracking without wearing a smartwatch all day. A ring is smaller, lighter, and more comfortable while sleeping. And this is exactly where Apple could have a major ecosystem advantage. Imagine wearing a small Apple Ring that tracks your sleep, heart data, recovery, activity, and health information without needing an Apple Watch on your wrist every night. For many people, that alone could be a huge upgrade. But that's not the biggest change. The most interesting part is how Apple could connect this device with the entire Apple ecosystem. Apple already has the iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, Vision Pro home devices. A smart ring could become a new invisible controller connecting everything together. Instead of touching a screen, small finger movements could control devices around you. Changing music, controlling smart home devices, interacting with Vision Pro. Scrolling content, making quick actions. This is where things get interesting, because Apple may not see the ring as only a fitness product. It could become a completely new input device, just like the mouse changed computers and the touchscreen changed phones small. Gestures could become another way we interact with technology, but for buyers, the important question is simple. Is this actually better than buying an Apple Watch? The answer depends on what type of user you are. The Apple Watch is still much more powerful. It has a display, apps, notifications, emergency features, workout controls, communication, tools. For fitness users and professionals, the watch provides a complete experience. A ring cannot replace everything. But most buyers are missing this detail. Many people do not use all Apple Watch features. They mainly use health tracking, sleep, data, steps, heart monitoring, basic activity, information. For those users, a smart ring could actually make more sense. A smaller product. Better comfort, possibly longer battery life, and less distraction. Battery life could become one of Apple Ring's biggest advantages. Current Apple Watches usually need frequent charging, but smart rings can last several days because they do not power a large display. If Apple creates a ring with multi-day battery life, it could solve one of the biggest complaints users have with wearables. The numbers look impressive, but real-world usage tells a different story. A device like this only works if the health tracking is extremely accurate, and this is where Apple has an advantage. Years of Apple Watch development have created advanced sensors, algorithms, and health technology. If Apple brings that experience into a smaller device, it could immediately become one of the strongest. Competitors' expected features could include heart rate, tracking, sleep analysis, temperature, monitoring, activity tracking, health insights, and deeper AI-powered recommendations. Apple Intelligence could also play an important role in the future. Instead of only showing numbers, future devices may explain what your health data means, for example, why you feel tired, how your sleep changed, when your body needs recovery, how your habits affect performance. That could make the Apple Ring feel less like a tracker and more like a personal health assistant. But there is still one major problem: price. Current premium smart rings already cost hundreds of dollars. If Apple enters this market, industry expectations place pricing somewhere around the premium category. A possible $299 to $349 price range would put it against competitors like Oura Ring and Samsung Galaxy Ring. At that price, buyers have a serious decision. Buy a full smartwatch or buy a smaller health-focused ring? The value depends on your lifestyle, If you want apps, workouts, calls, and maximum features, Apple Watch will likely remain the better investment. But if you want invisible health tracking and a simpler premium experience, Apple Ring could be the smarter choice. There is also another important factor, long-term value, Apple. Products become stronger because of the ecosystem. The first Apple Ring may not just compete on hardware, it could win because of how it works with iPhone, Apple Watch, Vision Pro, and future Apple products. That ecosystem advantage is something competitors cannot easily copy. But should you wait? This is where the buying decision gets complicated. Apple has not officially announced this product. There is no confirmed release date. Some rumors suggest Apple is researching the category. But development plans remain uncertain, so if you need a health device today, waiting only for an Apple Ring may not be the smartest move. A current Apple Watch or existing smart ring could still provide excellent value, but if you already own an Apple Watch and are thinking about upgrading soon, it may be worth watching what Apple does next. Because the future of wearable technology may not only be on your wrist, it may move to your finger. Final verdict, buy. Now, if you need powerful smartwatch features today, wait, if you are interested in a smaller, screen-free Apple Health device and you are already deep inside the Apple ecosystem, skip the first generation if you want a proven product with mature features. The Apple Ring is not confirmed yet, but if Apple decides to enter this market, it could create one of the biggest changes in wearable technology since the Apple Watch. And the most exciting part is, the next major Apple device may not be something you hold. It may be something you wear without even noticing.